What is difference between atom, molecule, element and compound? Atom, it is the smallest unit of matter. I mean everything in this universe is made up of atoms. For example, plants, fruits, animals, water and etc. Now here is a question, if everything is made up of atoms, then why all these things are different? For example, plants different from animals. Well, it is because there are 118 atom or element present in this universe. Different combination of atom produce different substances. For example, consider carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. When carbon combined with oxygen chemically, then they form carbon dioxide gas. When hydrogen combined with oxygen chemically, then they form H2O. Thus, different combination of atom produces different substances. Now coming to the difference between atom, molecule, element and compound. There are two types of atomic combination, homoatomic combination and heteroatomic combination. The word homo means same and atomic means atom. So the word homoatomic means same type of atom. Now listen an important statement. When an atom or group of atoms exist freely, it forms the molecule. In homoatomic combination, molecule will be either monoatomic molecule or diatomic molecule. The word mono means one, so monoatomic molecules are neon, argon, xenon. One can say that all noble gases form monoatomic molecule because they are made up of only one type of atom. When many monoatomic molecules combine together, then forms element. For example, when many atoms of neon combine together, they form neon element. When many atoms of argon combine together, they form argon element. When many atoms of nitrogen combine together, they form nitrogen element. Similarly, when many atoms of metal like iron, zinc, gold, etc., they also form elements. But remember that metals like iron, zinc, gold do not form molecules. Now the word di means two, so diatomic molecules are H2, N2, O2 and etc. These molecules are made up of two atoms, that's why we call them diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules are also known as elemental molecules. When many elemental molecules are combined together, they also form element. For example, when many elemental molecules of H2 are combined together, they form hydrogen element. When many elemental molecules of N2 are combined together, they form nitrogen element. And when many elemental molecules of O2 are combined together, they form oxygen element. Now remember that molecules like neon, argon, xenon are monoatomic molecules because they exist freely in the nature, while H2, N2 and O2 are diatomic molecules because they can also exist freely in the nature. But one atom of H2, N2 and O2 do not exist freely in the nature. On the other side, elements are formed due to monoatomic combination of either atoms like neon, argon, xenon, zinc, gold, iron, etc. or element also formed by diatomic combination like H2, N2 and O2. Now coming to the heteroatomic combination of atoms. The word hetero means different. Heteroatomic combination mean the chemical combination of different atoms which also forms heteroatomic molecules. For example, like CO2, H2O, CH4. These molecules are made up of different atoms, hence these molecules are called heteroatomic molecules. When many heteroatomic molecules are combined together, they form a compound. For example, when many molecules of CO2 are combined together to form a compound of CO2. And similarly, when many molecules of H2O are combined together chemically, they form a compound of H2O. And when many molecules of methane are combined together chemically, they form a compound of methane. So remember that heteroatomic combination also form molecules, and heteroatomic molecules are combined together to form a compound. To summarize this lecture, consider O, O2, many O2, H2O, many H2O, which is water in a glass. This oxygen is an atom. This O2 is a homoatomic molecule. These combined O2 are oxygen element. This H2O is a heteroatomic molecule, and this glass of water is a compound. I hope you enjoyed this session and learned about atom, element, molecule and a compound. You can like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Till then, keep learning. Thanks for watching.